Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. When you travel to foreign countries or any unknown places, you want to make sure that you have safety and security. And today I'm going to introduce you to a small travel door lock and travel alarm. These are very lightweight and very small. You can easily carry with you, and this is to protect you. Now I'm doing this video from Marriott Niagara Falls, Canada. So I do not need to use this in here. But let's see, if you're staying at Airbnb or some places where you don't feel safe and secure, then these would come in handy. So this is the first thing. This is a portable travel door lock. The way it works here, you have to place this part between the door hinges, and then this moving mechanism or moving portion goes in here like this, and it kind of keeps the door locked. So if someone's trying to break in or push the lock from the other side, they will not be able to open the lock, and you are more secure. This one doesn't have any alarm. It just protects from breaking in, or stops the door from entering from the other side. And this is very lightweight and easy to handle. So this is portable lock, portable travel lock. I don't do any affiliated links, so there's no affiliated links or paid. This is not a paid review. I purchased this with my own money, but if you're looking for this, you can just search on Amazon or any online retailer by putting portable door lock or just door lock for travel. Then you're going to see lots of these by different brands. So any brand you can buy, it doesn't matter. Usually they're all the same. So this is one item, very lightweight, especially good for female travelers or who are traveling solo. But when we were traveling in the Philippines, I felt like we needed to protect ourselves at the Airbnb, because we were staying at a 2-floor Airbnb, and at night I got kind of scared, because if someone comes in through the door underground, the first floor, there's no way for us to know that someone is trying to come in, and that would come in handy. So this is the first item. Now this one is door stop alarm. This is slightly different than this. It has a audible alarm, which is very loud. I'm going to show you quickly, and this is much simpler to use. So all you have to do, you have to just push this under the door button, and this is just going to stop the door from opening from the other side. And the benefit of this, it has a very loud alarm, which is I think 120 decibel. So that's 120 decibel is really loud. You're going to hear it. I'm going to turn it on very quickly. So there's an on and off button here. So you have to just turn it on. And then here you can even control the noise. For example, medium, high, and low. But what I noticed is that even if you set it to low, it still is very loud. So let's test it. So let's say we put it under the door and someone is trying to break in. Then you can see that how loud is that. Although I think the audio system has limiter, so it's going to block up to a certain level. Probably you'll not hear that loud, but this is really, really loud. And for sure, if someone is trying to break in, it's going to scare them away. Even I got scared when I was testing these. And these two items, they're very inexpensive. This is below $10. This is around $15 or so, and they go on sale. And they're lightweight. They would easily fit in your carry-on bag, and you can just keep it with you, and you can choose whichever you want, or you can even keep both of them because they're lightweight. So for the next travel tips and hacks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.